Hi everyone, welcome back to the Flutter series here on the AI language. In today's video, we're going to talk all about stateless widgets, one of the most important building blocks of any Flutter app. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and check out the free course materials over at ailanguage.com. Trust me, it's all there to help you learn faster and smarter. All right, let's dive right in. So let's start with the code. At the very top, we have the main function. This is where every Flutter app begins. Inside it, we call run app and pass in our root widget, which is my app. This run app function is what launches the app and gets it running. Now, my app is a stateless widget. So what does that mean? A stateless widget is a widget that doesn't change once it's built. It's perfect for things that are static, like a title, a label, or in this case, a screen that displays a greeting message. Let's look inside my app. There's a method called build. The build method is where we define what the widget looks like. It's like giving Flutter a set of instructions on how to draw this widget. Inside build, we're returning a material app. This widget is really important because it provides the overall structure of the app. It also gives us access to material design features like themes and navigation. In this case, we've set a few things in the material app. First, we've added a title, which is what the operating system might use to identify the app, like in the app switcher. Second, we've defined a theme, where we set a teal color scheme to give the app a consistent look. And finally, we've set the home property to a widget called greeting card, which will be the first screen of our app. Now let's move on to the greeting card widget. Greeting card is also a stateless widget, and it's where we define the main content of our screen. Inside its build method, we return a scaffold. This is a really handy widget that provides the basic structure of a screen. It comes with predefined areas like an app bar at the top and a body for the main content. In the app bar, we've added a title, Stateless Widgets 101. It's simple, clean, and just tells us what this screen is about. Now for the body, this is where all the fun stuff happens. We've wrapped everything inside a center widget, which, as the name suggests, centers its child both vertically and horizontally. Inside the center, we've used a column widget. A column arranges its children vertically one after the other. Let me walk you through the elements we've added here. First, we have an icon widget. It's a heart icon, styled with a red color, and set to a size of 50 pixels. Icons like this are a great way to add some visual flair to your app. Below that, we have a text widget displaying the message, "Welcome to Stateless Widgets." This text is styled using text style, where we've set a larger font size and bold weight to make it stand out. And finally, we have another text widget with a smaller message, static and efficient UI components. This one is styled with a smaller font size and a subtle gray color to create a nice hierarchy between the two texts. To make everything look clean and organized, we've added size box widgets between the elements. These are really useful for creating space without adding unnecessary complexity to your layout. And that's it, a complete screen made entirely of stateless widgets. Now let's talk about what makes stateless widgets so special. Here's what you need to know about stateless widgets. They're static and immutable, meaning they can't change once they're built. This makes them great for static content like headers, footers, or labels. Even though they don't hold state, they can still be rebuilt if their parent widget changes. This ensures the UI stays in sync. They're efficient and lightweight because they don't need to manage any state. And this makes them perfect for components that don't need to update dynamically. They're reusable. You can define a stateless widget once and use it across multiple parts of your app, which helps keep your code clean and consistent. And that's everything you need to know about stateless widgets in Flutter. We've covered how to create them, when to use them, and why they're so efficient for building static UIs. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like share it with others, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more Flutter tutorials. And don't forget, you can access the full course material for free at ailanguage.com.